Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the sharing settings, press the share button once, and select sharing and broadcasts. Once there, choose video clip settings to access recording options. Make sure your Ps4 firmware is up to date so all quality presets appear. You do this because outdated software can lock features. Next, check available clip length and format options so you understand limits before changing quality. This first step gets you into the right menu and prevents wasted toggles later. Now you change the actual quality settings. Select video clip quality and pick standard or high. Choose high for sharper captures, but note it consumes more space. Then set the frame rate to 30 FPS or 60 FPS if your game and console support it. Once done, verify the duration setting and resolution where available, because those affect file size too. Make sure to free up storage if needed, since a higher frame rate and quality will fill your hard drive much faster than lower presets. Finish by saving your choices and recording a short test clip, about 30 to 60 seconds, to confirm quality and performance. Play the clip in Capture Gallery and look for visual artifacts, audio sync issues, or dropped frames. If you spot problems, reboot the console and reapply the settings. Make sure there is enough free storage and that system software is current. Also try lowering frame rate or quality if overheating or lag occurs, because those symptoms often mean the Ps4 is struggling with the.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.